Well, the new football season didn't get off to a good start for Motherwell. They lost the home leg of their Europa League qualifier to the part-timers of League of Wales side Llanelli. But the Lanarkshire club's manager, Jim Gannon, says the side could still go through, as David Curry reports.
It all started with a standing ovation for Motherwell and the new manager, Jim Gannon. But the adoration was short-lived, as the Welsh part-timers went a goal ahead in the first half hour. Stuart Jones stealing in between two defenders and making the trip from South Wales well worth it for these diehards. The SPL side lost 8 first-team players during their short post-season, those remaining put in plenty of effort, facing plenty of chances, but only 17-year-old Paul Slane came close to equalising. So it was the part-timers from Wales who basked in the full-time applause, leaving Well fans wondering whether their team can turn things around in next week's away leg.
Well, there's only so much you can do in a week, and we'll tidy up on certain things, but the question is whether the players, if there's enough quality there to improve. Coaching can only get you so far, and obviously young players will grow in time, but genetically or technically some players just can't improve. But what we'll do is try to get the best out of ourselves. We're well organised, well prepared for the game, and like I said, give a good account of ourselves.
So the Steel men's mettle will be tested again next week. David Curry, reporting Scotland.